Cleaning the firebox. Make sure there is no hot ash present. Remove the vermiculite baffle. Lift and tilt. Also the steel baffle, and clean. Except with the Andorra firebox, which has a fixed steel baffle. Clean the vents either side of the baffle. Brush the inside near the flue entry, and clean. Reinsert the steel baffle. Reinsert the vermiculite baffle. Remove the grate. Use a brush to clean all ash into the ash pan. Empty the ash pan. Use a vacuum cleaner inside the firebox. Also in the ash pan housing. Ensure the air vent in the pan housing is clean. Reinsert the ash pan. Reinsert the grate. Replace the wood retainer. Clean the door glass with a fine steel wool and glass cleaner. Your Euro fireplace is now ready for efficient operation.